If you are in this position now where you're wanting a better life, you're wanting to do something different, you're wanting to change, to transform, and you don't know where to start, how to start, why to start, what start, then this video is for you. I'm going to take you through the steps so that we can set you up for success. And you're going to understand exactly what needs to be done, what needs to happen so that you can move on with your life. In order to find yourself, you need to look back where you've been, because all of those events and places and happenings, it all comes together to create you into who you are now. And that's the start in transforming your life. So if you're ready, let's go.